Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram music is not available in your region. So sometime when you open any video and the music behind that video will not be open and it will show like this music is not available in your region. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if you are facing this type of the error on the Instagram, first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to download application with the name of Turbo VPN, or you can use any other VPN. So first of all install this VPN in your phone. Once you will install it in your phone, you have to turn this on before opening the Instagram. So I simply open it from here, tap to connect. Once it will connect, now scroll your Instagram, you will not face this type of the error again. So this is the only solution of this problem. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank